problem is that what's happened is that the culture in our government has become such that the entire government, all its agencies, all its organs, all its offices, are allowed to be used for personal gain and for basically corruption. How many high-profile investigations have we seen in the Senate? How many well-proven incidents of corruption have we seen in government? None of them have been punished. It's a culture in government that corruption is okay. This administration basically has said to all of its people that it's okay for you to make money in government, to take a little percentage here, to get a kickback, to overprice. Okay lang yun. That's part of the way we do business, and that is a dangerous thing. You have to prosecute the laws strictly, and you have to prosecute someone who is in fact somebody who's prominent, and show that you are serious in prosecuting anybody.
We assumed office, we already got our ISO certification. We have been topping all the COA audit reports during the entire course of my vice presidency. We have been, we have been recognized for many of our programs, and I think it's not the recognition itself, but the fact that it is a testament to the hard work of so many people. I get all the credit for it. But it's really so unfair to the team because you were able.
Happy World Pandesal Day sa inyong lahat. Ang pandesal, paborito ko, hindi siya hindi siya ordinaryong palaman. Ang pinaka-paborito ko na palaman is yung cheese whiz, tapos yung daing, bulad sa Bisaya. Yung daing, boneless na siya, tinatanggal ko siya sa mga buto.
Gago!